Well, righto, here we are at crunch day, the day before it's going into the shop. We can't get this thing started, so we're going to send it to professionals. Well, see what they can do. Hopefully rectify it, figure it out, or if it's a ridiculously expensive problem, we'll go from there. But right now, before it goes, I'm going to pull this tank out, pull any loose items out, a few other bits and pieces in the car and get it ready. We're not going to worry about putting the bonnet back on, but we'll be ready to go, and then we will tie it into our new trailer, and then tomorrow morning we take it in. Okay, so we're going to pull this fuel tank out, but a couple of things we found just before we do this. One thing to note, if your exhaust mounts ever die, this is a good way to fix it. Just rip your speaker wire out and wrap it up as best you can. So a couple of other things we've seen here, there's more just stuff cut off everywhere. There's also no sway bar in the back of this, which is not really an issue, we just put a sway bar in. But anyway, this is just 2 bolts, one here and there's one over there. We'll undo it and hopefully it should just drop and slide out comfortably. We'll see what happens. Swap it for this one actually. I think that's mostly, look at that. I think that's mostly water. Jesus.
Whoa, Jesus.
Yeah, we can here, I want to have a look at it.
Take that way you want it.
So a couple of things. This ain't even fuel line. This looks like some kind of hydraulic air line. So yeah, look, no sway bar. We've got some adjustable gear in here, which we knew we had, the teens and everything. All new bushes for the sway bar, for the rear K-frame and everything. So we'll there's a bit of interestingness going on here. I don't know what this is about. I think they may have they've put this in backwards for whatever reason. I don't know. Yeah, exhaust mounts here. Just all sorts of interesting stuff. But that's what you get when you inherit someone else's project. You get that shit too. Not good.
No, it's like coffee.
At least it's...
Is that it?
Yeah.
There you go, you're on full tension.
Going to play a typical number.
You're gonna hit the container. Stop.
We are going to play a typical number with an amount of loud and low passages. Let's do this! Do this! Smoking! Right? Right on! play a typical number. We are going to play a typical amount of loud passages.
So we finally got it on, strapped it in. Bit of a mission. Certainly not the easiest thing in the world without a winch, but we will put that on next. That is one of the things. But anyway, she's ready to go for tomorrow, so we'll get it happening. And we bought some of those fancy tie down things, little strappy bits that they use, and some all new straps. So all this is gear that we've bought specifically for the trailer, so it'll all live for the trailer. So we're equipped and ready to go whenever we need it. Righto, so it's the next day and we are off to get this thing into town to hopefully have not too many dramas to get this thing looked at, but we'll give them a run through around town, exactly what we did and what we've discovered. And they don't, people are real funny about being filmed, so we'll leave that, just be in and out from that, and do the journey. We dropped the car off, just got home. While we were there unloading it, also broke the steering straight out of the rack, so that doesn't help. But gave our mate as much info as we could, so we'll see what they say.